Hello guys, in my new video. In this video I will be solving employee bonus question which is available in LeetCode, and I have already uploaded all previous question from SQL 50 of LeetCode. So now it's turn to solve employee bonus. So we have two table in this question. First is employee and the second is bonus. You can see there, and employee table contains imp id, which is stand for employee id, name, supervisor, salary, and bonus table contains imp id again, which is stand for employee id, bonus. So according to this question we have to write a solution to report the name and bonus amount of each employee with a bonus less than 1000. Return the result table in any order. So here we have example. You can see the employee table contains 4 records, you can see, and bonus table have only 2 records. It means only 2 employee gets a bonus, and as an output we got 3 result. From bonus table you can see that only one record is there which is less than 1000. So that record also report in output, you can see, and 2 more who doesn't get any bonuses. So we have to also retrieve those data because that is less than 1000, right? So let's write a query. Select a star from table employee E left join bonus B. You can see that we have two tables, employee and bonus. So we have to join both table with left join. Why? Because we want all data from table employee, right? And which employee id is not available in bonus table, so towards those data we will get null value. So now we have to add condition on. So on which condition we have to join those both table? On the basis of employee id, right? So e dot emp id is equal to v dot emp id, right guys? So we have joined both table on the basis of employee id, and now it's turn to add condition where clause. We have to also add where clause because we only want those employee who got bonus less than 1000. So b dot bonus less than 1000, right? So you can see table bonus, we want only those record whose bonus is less than 1000, so we will get this record. But again we have to add one more condition for employee id 3 and employee id 1 because these two didn't get any bonus, so, and which is also satisfied this condition less than 1000 because they didn't get any bonus. So we have to add more condition using or. Again b dot bonus is null, right guys? But according to the question, we have to report only name and bonus amount. So for that we have to write e dot name and b dot bonus. So guys, I have already completed this query. Now it's turn to run. Let's see. Yes guys, so our query get run successfully. You can see that. So let me submit this code. Yes guys, here we go. You can see our code gets accepted successfully. So thanks for watching this video guys. If you like this and if you get any help from this video, so please like this video and subscribe. And if you have any questions, so please give me a comment under the video. Thanks for watching guys. Thank you. Bye.